tutorial. Friends, today we will study what is noun and kinds of noun, and among them we will take first what is common noun as well. So let's begin. What is a noun? Let's see the definition here. A noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, or thing. So a noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, or thing. Let's see some examples. Persons. Persons, boy, girl. Places, school, home, market. And things, computer, mobile, and laptop. Friends, now we will study about kinds of noun. Almost we have 6 to 7 kinds of noun, and they are: first is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, concrete noun, and material noun. So 6 kinds of nouns are there, and among them we will study today common noun. Let's start. So let us learn one by one. Here, friends, you will know the definitions. Common noun, it is a name given common to every person or a thing of the same kind. Here, it is a name given to common to every person, things, or the same kind. See, some examples are here: car, movie, mobile, and school. Note: common nouns are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. So common noun may not be used capital letters unless it may not come at the beginning of a sentence. Okay. So here, common examples we already got here. One is car, movie, state, drink. But when we say common noun, a question arises. If example is car means, can you guess which car we are talking? As we know that we have many cars in showrooms, we have different varieties of companies of car we have, but when car a word comes, so we may not understand or we may not come to know that which car we are talking. That's why these examples are called common noun, which may not give exact answers. A question arises: which one? Again, the same one. Movie is there. There are number of movies are there. But here, if I give example, today I saw a movie. Can you come to know that which movie I saw? No. That's why common noun may not tell you exact things. Exact answer you may not come to know that. That's why these are known as common nouns. In the same way, if I say state, we have many states, but we don't know which state I am talking right now. Yesterday I went to a state. It's very rich in heritage. You may not come to know that which state I went and come. That's why these common nouns always puts a question to our mind that which one. Same one here. See the drink. We have many drinks, but we don't know which drink we are talking now. That's why these words like car, movie, state, drink, this always comes a question to our mind: which one? As we come to know that when we are talking about the car, we exactly don't know which car. In the same way, movie is there, we don't know exactly which movie. In the same way, state is there, we also don't know which state. Drink is there, again same one, common one. So these are the common examples which we may not understand. Here, car means is nothing but we have varieties of car here. See in the picture, you can see car means here all kinds of car comes in that. Car means all car comes. So here these car are considers as a common noun. In the same way, here movies also. We have number of movies, but which movie we don't know. That's why here always when we discuss or when we study about the common noun, here always question comes which one. Here as a state also we refers all states we are referring. Here state is not particular we are talking. Many states we have some examples I have written here like Karnataka is there, Kerala is there, Tamil Nadu is there, Goa is there, Maharashtra is there, Uttar Pradesh is there. But when I tell state, you may get confused which state I am talking. So these are common nouns. Again, same one. Here, drinks refers. It means it's also a kind of example of common noun, which we may not understand which drink we are talking. It could be lassi, it could be chas, sharbat, and many other things. Okay. So always, when common noun comes, always question arises. You should keep in mind, common noun always ask us to ask a question. Thanks for watching my channel. Comment and share Ratnasagar tutorials. Thank you.